This is the second time I'm testing the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion charging time from 0% to 100%. But this time I'm doing it in a switched off condition. I also added the previous test video on the side for reference, so you can clearly see whether the charging speeds are faster or slower when charging the mobile phone in switched off and switched on conditions. The stats and results of this video are pretty wild and they are almost accurate to what Motorola claimed about the device charging speeds. I'm using the same inbox charger and a current meter to check the live power draw. For the previous video, I received comments suggesting to remove the current meter, disable the always on display, turn off the charging boost option and connect the charger directly to the socket instead of using an extension. But I'm testing with the same setup without changing anything. The above factors may affect the results slightly, but nothing major if you ask me. Later, I found some interesting reasons why this happened. I'll tell you about that, but before that, we already crossed the 10 minutes mark. In the switched off condition, the mobile is charged to 20% and in the switched on condition, it is at 12%. Let's see what happens after 20 minutes. So basically what I observed about the reason for the lower charging speeds is that it's likely due to the first time charging the mobile phone. Yes, this is the first time I'm charging the mobile phone completely after unboxing. I mean, charging from 0% to 100%. I'm not entirely sure if that is the issue, but after the initial charge, every time it charged at good speeds. I even tested that. Now we crossed the 20 minutes mark and here are the stats. In the switched off condition, the mobile is charged to 35% and in the switched on condition, it is at 22%. Let's see after 30 minutes. According to the sources, this mobile phone can charge from 0% to 100% in around 58 to 67 minutes. And for 50%, it takes between 23 and 30 minutes. We will see whether these numbers are true. In the previous video, I thought these timings might be for another battery capacity version. Yes guys, this mobile was released in different battery capacities according to the region. Now we crossed the 30 minutes mark and it shows that the numbers are almost accurate of what Motorola said. In the switched off condition, the mobile is charged to 50% and in the switched on condition, it is at 31%. Let's see after 40 minutes. Now here is some information about this mobile phone battery capacity. This one either comes with a 7000 mAh battery or a 5200 mAh battery depending on the region where you purchase it. The unit I'm testing has a 7000 mAh battery. Also, you can see the maximum wattage it is reached so far in the current meter. In the switched off condition, it is 44.5 watts and in the other, it is only 17.6 watts. Now we crossed the 40 minutes mark. Here are the stats. In the switched off condition, the mobile phone is charged to 65% and in the switched on condition, it is at 39%. Let's see after 50 minutes. I recently posted other testing videos of this mobile phone like gaming test, battery drain test, camera review, etc. You can find all the links in the description box as well as in the comments pinned section. By the way, if you found this video helpful and appreciate my effort, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends if possible and hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get notified about upcoming videos. Now we crossed the 50 minutes mark. Here are the stats. In the switched off condition, the mobile is charged to 79% and in the switched on condition, it is at 46%. Let's see after 60 minutes. The battery backup of this mobile phone is amazing guys. In my testing, I'm getting more than 2 days of usage. If you're a normal or basic user, you can easily use this mobile for almost 3 days with a single charge. Even if you are a heavy user, it easily lasts a full day unless you are using it completely from morning till night. In my usage, I'm getting around 9 to 11 hours of screen time depending on the apps I'm using, which is very promising. The chipset inside this mobile phone also helps a lot in delivering this good battery backup. Alright, now we crossed the 60 minutes mark. Here are the stats. In the switched off condition, the mobile is charged to 93% and in the switched on condition, it is at 53%. Let's see after a few more minutes. If you have tested the charging time in switched on condition in your mobile phone, if in case you are using this, please let me know in the comments how long it took on average to charge from 0% to 100%. I tested that the speeds are almost similar. If in case any changes, please let me know. Finally, after around 1 hour 8 to 9 minutes in switched off condition, the mobile is charged to 100% whereas it is about 60% in the previous test. The maximum wattage it reached was only 44.5 watts, even though they provided a 68-watt charger in the box. Yeah, it took almost exactly the same as Motorola claimed to charge from 0% to 100%. Comment your opinions about this mobile phone's charging speeds and share your thoughts too. Soon I'm going to post a video showing a full day with this mobile phone in my daily workflow, which is the first time I'm trying this type of content in this channel. If you don't want to miss that video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to all to get notified. You can find all the related links for this Moto Edge 70 Fusion in the description box as well as in the comments section. Definitely check those out to know more about this mobile phone apart from its charging speeds.